guys, I don't think
Water is the most perfect traveler because when it travels, it becomes the path itself. And it's scientifically proven that being next to a waterfall boosts your mood. So that's why on the previous video you saw me mumbling words, because it was that exciting for me. And since it's my first time in a waterfall and also actually seeing a waterfall, I want to take you guys with me. So first of all, subscribe to our channel, leave a like if you enjoy this video, and let's get started. Definitely the first meal of the day, we had to be full because we had a very busy day ahead of us, and definitely Panari came through with the most delicious breakfast I've ever had, and it was definitely followed with the most delicious lunch. Look at that plate. How good does that look? So let's explore the Thompson Falls in Nyahururu. So we are about to go to the waterfall, and this is just the beginning. This is just like the first step, the first set of steps. We have like 100 more to go. So let's see where we will get to. These steps are quite steep. I really hope I'll make it. Okay, Jesus. So we are like on the 80th set of floor, and I just saw this tree and it seemed so interesting. Oh, here we go. Whoa! So we managed to get to the 100 set of stairs, and we are finally down at the waterfall. Ta-da! We made it! Now to get down to the water. Come on. What?
You get when you go too close.
Yeah. You can see the water from the waterfall is getting up to this place, because where I am, I'm also getting some droplets, and man, woo. So guys, I don't think I can't.
Okay.
Guys, I think you can see some droplets on the screen, but if you can't, I can feel like the water splashing on me, just in little drops, and it feels so serene. It feels like I'm in heaven. This is my first time being in a waterfall, or even seeing a waterfall. So for me, this is such an experience, and yeah, I'm enjoying. So going down the waterfall was quite easy, but coming up, I nearly died. I was halfway dead, but I managed to get up, though it took me so much time. It took me so much resting, but I made it. So the Thompson Falls is right next to the Panari Resort. As you can see it very, very clearly. It's such a scenic view from the Thompson Falls, and that is so amazing. So the next thing after the waterfall trip is definitely we went back to the hotel and had some delicious dinner, and that's it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.